Welcome back to VI, where we empower investors with the knowledge they need to make informed decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of ETFs. So, what exactly are ETFs, and why should you, as an investor, consider them for your portfolio? An ETF, or exchange-traded fund, is a type of investment fund that is traded on stock exchanges, much like individual stocks. Think of an ETF as a basket that holds a collection of different assets, such as stocks, bonds, or commodities. This basket is designed to track the performance of a specific index, sector, or commodity. Imagine walking through a supermarket with a basket. Instead of buying individual items separately, you fill your basket with a variety of goods. Similarly, an ETF allows you to invest in a diversified mix of assets all at once. This diversification can help spread risk and reduce the impact of any single asset's poor performance. One popular example is an ETF that tracks the ASX 200 index, which represents the top 200 companies listed on the Australian Securities Exchange. By investing in this ETF, you're essentially investing in all these companies at once, providing broad exposure to the Australian market. ETFs come in various types and can target specific sectors, such as technology, healthcare, or resources. This flexibility allows you to tailor your investments to your interests or market outlook. So, why choose ETFs over other investment options? Here are a few key benefits. Diversification. As we mentioned, ETFs provide a simple way to diversify your portfolio. Cost-effective. ETFs often have lower fees compared to mutual funds. Liquidity. ETFs can be bought and sold on the stock exchange throughout the trading day, just like individual stocks. Transparency. Most ETFs disclose their holdings daily, so you always know what you're investing in. However, it's essential to consider a few things before investing in ETFs. Understand the index or sector. Make sure you're familiar with what the ETF is tracking. Watch the fees. While generally lower, some ETFs can still have management fees. Consider the liquidity. Ensure there's enough trading volume for the ETF to avoid issues with buying or selling. Now, you might be wondering, how can Australian investors access global ETFs? It's actually quite straightforward. Many Australian brokers offer access to international markets, allowing you to invest in ETFs listed on global exchanges. This opens up opportunities to diversify your portfolio even further by investing in foreign markets, sectors, and asset classes. The growth and popularity of ETFs have been remarkable over the past 5 years. Globally, the ETF market has expanded rapidly, driven by increasing investor demand for low-cost, diversified investment options. In Australia, we've seen a significant rise in ETF listings and investor participation, making ETFs a mainstream investment choice. Are ETFs good or bad as investment options? Well, like any investment, they come with their pros and cons. On the positive side, ETFs offer diversification, liquidity, and cost-effectiveness. They provide a convenient way to gain exposure to a broad range of assets. However, it's important to be aware of potential downsides, such as tracking errors, fees, and market risks associated with the underlying assets. ETFs can be a powerful tool in your investment strategy, offering diversification, flexibility, and ease of access to various markets and sectors. At VI, we're here to help you navigate ASX stock market options and make the best choices for your financial goals. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insightful content. And if you have any questions about ETFs or other investment topics, leave a comment below or visit our website. Happy investing!